Hi, you're welcome to this video on how to manage calendar on the School Tribe portal. If you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, ensure you do so by clicking on the subscribe button and of course the like button, because this video very resourceful for you. So how do you manage your calendar? Now, what is the usage and the usefulness of calendar management? On your calendar, this is where you get to add events, specifically to add events, school events, occurrences or public holidays, whichever one. It's on the calendar that you get to add events that there's going to be a PTA meeting. This video is dedicated to show you how to add an event to your calendar. So here we go. The first thing you need to do is get to your dashboard, and when you get to your dashboard, still the same dashboard that we always know, and then you find your way down to manage content. By default, these triple dashes are always opened, so it gives you access to the content of all of these icons. So let us just go back to the way it was. You click on the triple dashes and you locate yourself to manage content. When you get to manage content, you can see manage calendar. Click on manage calendar. When you click on manage calendar, it takes you to a screen that is very similar to this one, and then you add events. At the top right corner here, you click on add events. When you click on add events, you can as well see that this is where you add the events that you like to add to your calendar. So simply put, you just add the title of the event, say PTA meeting, and then the date of the events, you could say on the 20th of December. The calendar has been pre-added to your event date box, so you don't have to manually input the dates. It brings out the calendar. All you need to do is select the date and automatically it's been structured out for you. And then you click on the description and you say and of course, in this box, you can also add a main image. So take for example, we click on this box and then we add the main image, more like a pictorial representation, that is trying to explain the events proper. So we could just simply use something as very basic, something very direct. For example, we're using this, and then the next thing is we're going to go to attachment. So the attachment is always an additional file you want to add to this event. So you can click on the attachment and then you can also come to this side and also add an attachment. So technically any attachment can be added from here. So all you need to do is click on save. Once you click on save, the event is going to be added and be sent to parents and the students as well, as long as they have access to the mobile app. So you can click on save and it says event added successfully. Now, did you enjoy this video? Click on the subscribe button and like this video. But before you do that, so this list of events are already the pre-imputed list of events, and as you can see, this is the event that was just added. It says PTA meeting 20th of December 2020, and it is enabled. And of course, you can edit this event and still you can still have access to the information you have imputed to it. So all you need to do is just reopen the pen button like we did, and then it takes you back to where you can edit the event, probably to update the date or the title. So you have event added successfully, and this is where we're wrapping it up on this video today. Thank you very much.